Today I present these 24-inch human hair extensions that I got on Amazon. If you've ever wanted longer, fuller looking hair in minutes without the time or cost of a salon visit, this is such a fun little hack. I like to section my hair, clip in a few pieces underneath for a natural boost, then add more when I want extra drama. The length is beautifully striking and the highlighted tones blend in with my own hair really well. They clip in easily, feel lightweight, and can be styled to match your look. I even smooth them with a flat iron at 410 degrees for a sleek finish. Sometimes I'll just add a couple of pieces around the back for a subtle lift, and it still makes a noticeable difference. It's a simple way to switch up your style anytime and get more out of your everyday look without constantly booking appointments. I place them a bit lower and away from the hairline, which helps them blend in nicely. I'm really pleased with how versatile this set is for casual days or special events. For special events, I put all the extensions in. I highly recommend.